Okay, good day to all of you. We are now in our lesson 5 in our complete Autocad tutorial 2D and 3D. Lesson 5 is data entry methods and the focus is the absolute coordinates. There are three main data entry methods, picking, direct distance. We have done this in lesson 1 to 4, and now in lesson 5 we will focus in absolute coordinates. Okay, I will it is I will demonstrate first the absolute coordinates method, then picking and direct distance. So let's begin. It is called absolute coordinates x and y because we will draw the figure, for example, the endpoint of a line in its absolute coordinate. Okay, let's go. Let's begin. I will demonstrate to you. For example, we have this figure. It is composed of 5 points, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and point 5, then close. It is called absolute coordinate because we will enter point 1 at exactly 1, comma 1, the x coordinate, the y coordinate. P2 at 4, 4, comma 1, so on and so forth. So let's do this in AutoCAD. Example, in the command line type line, L or line, L for short. The first point, because we are using absolute coordinate 1, comma 1. So this is 1, comma 1. The second point is 4, comma 1. 4, comma 1. The third point is 5, comma 2. 5, comma 2. The next point is P4 at 5, comma 4. 5, comma 4. Enter. Then P5, which is 1, comma 4. 1, comma 4. Enter. This is 1 P5. Then to close it, just type close. So that is absolute coordinate method. So picking, you can also draw that using picking. So if you were to do this, if we are to draw this using picking line, first point, for example, this one, it is just an estimate. C to close. So this is how we do picking. You can notice that it is very hard to draw at exact location. It's just an estimate. So direct distance is using the ortho. We draw a line. We estimate that this is the first point of the line. We turn on the ortho. Second point is here. If the ortho is on, the line that you can draw is either vertical or horizontal. So we need to turn off the ortho so that we can draw a slanting line and turn it on again for a vertical line, horizontal line, then see to close. This is a figure drawn by picking. We can say that it is not completely a straight line because it's just an estimate. There's it's not straight, and doing an ortho, doing a direct distance. This is second figure. The figure that we have drawn using direct distance. The angle here is not as accurate as this one because the length we just estimate. But using the absolute coordinate, the figure is an exact duplicate of the what is in the what is in this one. So that's absolute coordinate. So let's try an exercise. So for exercise, let's do figure 1. But I will leave exercise 2 and exercise 3 as an exercise for students. We'll just do figure 1. Using absolute coordinate. So let's draw a line that is at this point. Maybe this is 1 comma. Let's estimate line first point 1 comma 10. So that is 1 comma 10. We'll use a pan. So we set the origin at 1 comma 10. So if this is 1 comma 10, what is this one? Point 2 comma 10. Okay. Second point is 2 comma 10. Enter. So that is 2 comma 10. We'll use the pan. So that is 2 comma 10. If this is 2 comma 10, what is this one? This one is 1, 10, our origin, 2, 10. What is point C in our coordinate system? So that is 2, 11. 2, 11. This is plus 1. That is point C is 2, 11. Let's try that. 2, 11. So I think we're doing fine. 2, 11. Our guess for the coordinates is correct. It's 2, 11. Point D. Point D is 3, 11. Our estimate is correct. Point E is 3, 11. 1, 2, 3. 3, 10. 3, 10. Point E is 3, 10. 3, 10. Then point F is 4, 10. Point F is 4, 10. Enter. Point G, if it is 10, 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. So that is 4, 13. Point G is 4, 13. 4, 13. Enter. Point H is 3, 13. From this is 3, 13. 1, 2, 3. The X is 3. The Y is 13. So this is point G. Then we have point I, which is 1, 2, 3. It's 13. This is 12. 3, 12. 3, 12. This is point I. J is at, the X of J is at, this is 1, this is 2. 2, 2, 12. This is 10, 11, 12. 2, 12. J is 2,12. Enter. We are now in point K. K is at 12,13. Again. 12 is at we are now at point this is point J. No, point K is at 2,13. Enter. Point L is at 1,13. Then C to close. So we now have our figure. We have drawn this figure using the absolute coordinates. We have drawn this figure using the absolute coordinates. So let's list the line. List. So we have started at 1,10. X is 1, Y is 10. Going to 2,10. So if you want to find out the coordinates of this, just enter in the command line li. So let's try. Let's try to list. So these are the so it's not recommended to list to do the list on that. So this is the we have found the list. The first point is 1, 10, then 1, 10, then 2, 10. This point is you can find it in the list. From 2, 10 you go to 2, 11, so on and so forth. So that is absolute coordinate technique. I'm leaving you with this one as your for your practice. The First, you need to, the first step is to pick your origin. It doesn't matter what point it is. It's up to you what point you will choose. Then from that, build, continue, continue doing it until you have finished this figure. It's just for practice. And also this figure 3 for practice. So that is our lesson 5. That is our lesson 5. And there are other two coordinate entry techniques. This is only the first one. So in summary, absolute coordinate technique is drawing a figure at its absolute coordinate x and y. So this is our figure that we have drawn. Just enter our origin, and from that we build on until we have finished. That's all for our lesson 5, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something, and God bless and keep safe. Thank you very much.